Another sign I can see for the roundabout, which have 3 exits. I'm going right towards Garretts Green. Keeping right, now mirror signal, cover the brake, watching my position, watching right side. After this white car I can carry on. Watching my left mirror just in case, watching my position. No mirror signal left, taking exit, taking care of this bend, watching this potential hazard, the red car and the lady and the taxi, checking right mirror, overtaking, coming back. Now I'm approaching the mini roundabout where I'm going left. First exit, mirror signal. There are parked cars, so I will have quick look. I can enter and quick look for someone coming from left. After this car, there's another car coming, but I have time to enter and go to the next gap because I could see the gap here. And now I will wait for that car. Another car is coming, but I can go to the next gap. There's a gap just before the truck. I will come here and then I can keep moving after this. Okay, how we do parallel parking? Pulling up on the left like this. Now I will do parallel parking with this yellow car. I am waiting for the car coming from behind. After this car, if no one is coming, I will quick check right blind spot, move out, go next.